In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best shower systems in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which shower systems is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, ESNBIA Shower System. The handheld shower head with supercharging technology and a 10-inch rain shower head can cover your entire body while you shower. The brass valve body and pressure balance cartridge can be adjusted using the settings on the right and left sides. This valve is designed to be used with standard US 1 and 2-inch plumbing connections. CUPC certification, California CC listed, products comply with the following standard ESNBIA 112.18.1-2018 and CSAB 125.1-18. Enjoy a luxurious rain shower with a brushed nickel finish. Enjoy a relaxing rain shower. This product is easy to install with standard US plumber connections. A shower valve, handheld shower head, and rain shower head, as well as a shower arm, shower holder, and hose, are included in this package. ESNBIA has been providing high-quality bathroom products since 1979. We are committed to delivering quality products and professional after-sales services. Here is the item number 4, KES Shower System. CUPC certified pressure balance cartridge. Follow the instructions provided to adjust the temperature limit. Stop if your inlet water temperature changes throughout the year. The recommended water temperature to use for a bath or shower is between 95 degF and 110 degF. All metal, the faucet body is made from sturdy brass which is non-plastic. This ensures long life and high quality. The extra-large rain shower head measures 9.7 inches and the hand shower body measures 2.7 inches. 3 function with 1 switch. Choose between a 10-foot square overhead shower and a hand shower, or both. You can also choose to have an overhead shower plus hand shower combination. The shower valve has a built-in diverter. The ceramic disc diverter valve allows for smooth, easy function switching. Tangle-free shower hose. This tangle-free, stainless steel spiral wound shower hose can be extended from 1.5 to 1.91 meters. It is ideal for cleaning your shower or bathing your pet. The item number 3, BESE Shower System. Air injection technology. Save up to 30% on water using innovative air injection technology. This technology is also great for noise reduction. This water-air mixture is ideal for areas that have low water pressure. Multifunctional handheld shower head, 2-in-1 handheld head, unique from other shower sets. Simply twist the body to change the shower mode or spray gun mode. Widely used for cleaning and pet care. Its matte black appearance is due to the combination of European and American styles and multi-layered electroplating that passed the salt spray test. This allows it to withstand the corrosion caused by the humid environment in the bathroom. Rainfall, 12-inch waterfall shower head. Do not worry about low water pressure. Enjoy a rain-like shower experience with our shower head that delivers powerful rain showers every time. High quality, the best 12-inch wide designer rain shower is made of solid 304 stainless and is resistant to rust. Advanced air booster technology and ultra-thin design, a double pressure boost from the thickness and a combination of air pushing provide a powerful rain shower experience, even at low water pressure. No limescale sticking. 256 flexible silicone no-stick nozzles prevent the limescale from sticking, which keeps the holes from becoming blocked and dripping. Number 2 in our list, SR Sunrise Shower Systems. Quality promise, solid metal construction. Mixing valve made from solid brass that has rust-free and long-lasting characteristics. 304 stainless steel rain shower head with silicone nozzles allows for easy removal of mineral deposits. Prevent water hammer. The pressure balance valve features 2 check valves that effectively eliminate the water hammer. The cartridge of the pressure balance valve monitors water pressure and protects you from being scalded by abrupt changes in hot or cool water pressure. Ultimate high-pressure shower. The rain shower's ultra-thin design allows for water to flow out of it after being squeezed through the tiny space. This can create a high-pressure rain shower experience. Extra long shower hose, flexible, explosion-proof, and anti-kink extra long hose 71-inch. This hose can reach all corners of the bathroom and eliminate blind spots. Brushed nickel finish, it is anti-fingerprint and has passed the salt spray test. Even in damp bathrooms, it retains its original gloss. Brushed nickel is a modern and sleek choice for bathrooms and walk-in showers. It also offers corrosion resistance and durability. Modern shower design, you only need a knob and handle to control the shower system. The top one in our list, SR Sunrise Shower Systems. Quality promise, solid metal construction. Mixing valve made from solid brass that is rust-free and long-lasting. 304 stainless steel range shower head with silicone nozzles allows you to easily wipe off mineral deposits. Prevent water hammer, the pressure balance valve features 2 check valves that effectively eliminate the water hammer. The cartridge of the pressure balance valve monitors water pressure and protects you from being scalded by abrupt changes in hot or cool water pressure. Ultimate high pressure shower, the rain shower's ultra-thin design allows for water to flow out of it after being squeezed through the tiny space. This can create a high pressure rain shower experience. Extra long shower hose, flexible, explosion-proof, and anti-kink extra long hose 71-inch. This hose can reach all corners of the bathroom and eliminate blind spots. Shining chrome finish, mirror-like polished chrome gives your bathroom and walk-in shower a modern, sleek look. It is also corrosion-resistant and durable. It matches most bathroom decor. A light rub after the shower will remove any limescale. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best shower systems amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.